To list out objects, we first have to get a query set, and that is typically named as query sets. Query set.objects.all. That is a query set. This is going to give us back a list of objects. And a typical context variable name for a query set is object list, just like that. So that means in our variable, I can actually render out that object list. And you should know now for obj or for instance in object list, that is my for loop inside of an object list. So I can use the instance variable inside of that for loop to get, my product title. Something like this. So instance.id, and we'll just put it into a p tag. There we go. Okay, so we save that, save the view, save our URLs, and take a look. So if we go back into products, now I see all of my data coming through. The query set renders as well, which obviously I don't want to have happen, but now I actually have a list of items that I can see in this template. I'm going to get rid of that object list, but something you should notice is this right here could be reused with any model, and that's the purpose, right? We want to make sure that we can make these things reusable, and that's why we use standard names like query set and object list.